In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to open Huawei Watch Fit 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you a general overview of the Huawei Watch Fit 3 and how to use it. You will be able to access all of its features connected to a smartphone, and you will be able to customize all of the apps that you have access to. Now, the Huawei Watch Fit 3, of course, doesn't open in the traditional sense. It is a solid, sealed device, and you will be able to power it on by pressing and holding the side button until the screen lights up. You can detach the watch band and replace it with another. There is a small release button on the band's connect point. And you can swipe on the screen or press the side button to navigate through menus and apps. You will be able to use it to make the volume higher, lower if you are listening to songs, for example. You will be able to scroll up and down and access all of the features and apps available. So, for basic navigation, swipe up to access quick settings like brightness, do not disturb, and more. Swipe down to view your notifications. Swipe left and right to cycle through different watch faces or widgets. And you can press on the actual side button to return to the home screen or access the app menus. There are key features, primarily fitness tracking. You will be able to choose from a variety of workout modes and keep track of your heart rate, your sleep, your stress, and the blood oxygen levels. You have smart features like notifications for calls, messages, and app alerts on your watch, music control, Find My Phone, weather information, and you can set alarm and timers. You will be able to customize the watch however you prefer, so you can change the appearance from a variety of watch faces, and you can optimize battery life by adjust settings like brightness and heart rate monitoring frequency. I hope I was able to help you on how to open Huawei Watch Fit 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.